In this video, I'm going to teach you how to design this thumbnail using Capcut right inside of our smartphone. If you stay with me down to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how I also applied this thumbnail to my video. I'll be doing all of these things using my smartphone. All right, let's go straight into our Capcut on our phone and design this thumbnail using Capcut. So before we go into editing our thumbnail using Capcut on our smartphone, I want you to understand that Capcut on smartphone runs with data. So your data has to be on for you to use Capcut on your smartphone, because all the features you're going to be using would definitely need your data to be on. So let's get started. So you open your Capcut on your smartphone. Wait for it to load. Now your Capcut on your smartphone has finished loading. You click on new project. You've opened your new project. Okay, you can decide to go to photos and then pick any image here as your background, but no, I am going to stock videos. I'm going to use stock videos. So I click right there on stock videos. As you can see, it is loading. That is why I told you that you would need your data to be on. So I clicked on stock videos. So you're going to scroll. These are different stock videos. So you can just choose to use any one of your choice, but I am using this one right here. This is the one that I want to use. So I'm going to click on it. It is loading. As you can see, I'm going to click on it and then I'll click add. All right, so as you can see, it has opened a project. So I just click just to view that. All right, so there it is. You have your background. So every other thing that we're doing here is going to be on this background. So the next thing you need to do now is to click on overlay. Click on overlay and then go down into your picture. So scroll down to the picture that you want to use. Okay, scroll down to the picture that you want to use. So first of all, you are going to pick your picture, the first picture. So I want to use this picture right here. So I click on that one and then right here is the picture. The next thing I want to do now is to remove the background. Now you can decide to leave this background on this project, but no, I want to remove the background. So I click on remove, auto remove background. So you see that didn't go well at all. So I'm going to undo that. So click again, go back and pick another image of your choice. So I'm going to click on this one right here. Okay, I'm going to click on that one right there and then it enters, and I come down here and click on remove background. So I don't like that. I'm going to click on overlay again, come down here and select this one, add to it, come all the way to remove background, click on auto remove background, and bingo, there you have it. Background has been removed. So I'm going to just scale it. I want it to look bigger than this and then drag it all the way to the side, because I will be placing like 4 pictures on this project. So that one is there, and you go back and then click on art overlay again. So now I'm going to pick another picture, and I'm going to pick this one right here. Click add, and again I'm going to remove background like I did with the first picture. Remove background. Beautiful. I'm going to scale it all the way up and then move it all the way here. Yeah, I like it this way. Okay, just scale it just the way you want it, and then you go back and back, and then you click on add overlay again. So you scroll again to any of these pictures that you like, right? And then you select anyone, and again you go to remove background, and bingo, there you have it. So yeah, you can do this. You can do this as much as you want, and then scale it to fit in exactly what you want. So as soon as it gets right there just the way you want it, you're just going to leave it that way. All right. Okay, so that one is there, and then we're going to go back and back again, and then add overlay again because I want another picture. So this time around I am going to select this one right here, and again I'm going to scroll to remove background and remove background, and this is looking awesome. So you just bring it all the way here and scale it, to the size that you want. Scale it to the size that you want. Okay. Sorry guys, that is taking a little bit of time. So you scale it just the way you want it. Scale it just the way you want it. You can see readjust the other pictures and fit it just the way you want that. And again I'm going to bring in another beautiful picture, and bingo, there you go. Select this beautiful picture right here, and just like we did in the other ones, you are going to remove background. Okay, so guys, like I said, the whole idea of removing background is just a thing of choice. All right, it's a thing of choice, and you could choose to leave the background on the image and just overlap the images like that, but then I don't want the background still appearing on the images, so I chose to remove the background. So yeah, sorry, I'm still trying to adjust this. I'm leaving all of this here so that you can actually see how this will be when you are trying to make yours. Okay, so here it is, and right now I want to put text to it. At this point I'm going to be adding text, so we're going to go back again and then click on texts. So right there you add your texts. So what I want to type right here is how to make YouTube thumbnail with Capcut. And then you're going to click on fonts, and then you're going to scroll down and choose the kind of font that you will like. So I like this font, and then you're going to click on style, and then you are going to choose the style that you like as well. You can choose a background if you want a background, but no, I don't want a background right now. If you want stroke, if you want glow, you can choose glow right there. Yeah, and then you make it glow. You can choose shadow, and then okay, I think I want a black shadow on it, and then you increase the blur. You increase the blur right there, then the distance, then the angle. Right there. Okay, that's going too far. So now this is how you do that. You can just play with some of these things just the way you want them to be. And yeah, so style again, you can choose this effect if you want to. You see, most of them are pro effects, so I'm not using a pro, so I'm just going to stick with the free one. So yeah, this is style, and I think we'll like that. So another thing I would want to do is to tip this just a little bit. Right there, and bring it just somewhere down here, and then shrink the text just a little bit. Okay, so just so you know, we are designing this thumbnail inside of Capcut, but then it is a video. So you need to stick with me all the way to the end to know how I'm going to bring this out and then get to use it. All right, so how to make YouTube thumbnail with Capcut. So you can pull that up just a little bit, and you have it right there. This is looking beautiful already. So now that you are done, so I'm assuming that this is all of it. This video is getting too long already, so this is all of it. So now the next thing you are going to do to have this on your phone is to take a screenshot. Bingo. Now that you have taken the screenshot, you will minimize and then go to your gallery where you have your screenshots right there. And then what you need to do now is to click on edit. So now that you have your edit, and then I'm using an iPhone 6s Plus, so you click on edit right there. So now that you have the edit, somewhere below here you'll see crop. Of course, you might just want to increase the brightness or whatever you want to do. You could just do that, temper with that a little bit, just the way you want it. And then you click on crop, and there you go. You crop this right here. You can see it's already zooming in, and then you crop this right here, and this is looking beautiful already. And you click done right there, and there you have it. So there you have it right there. So you see, now you have your thumbnail. Okay, so we are not done yet. Like I promised you from the beginning of the video that I will show you how to apply this thumbnail to your video. So now you're going to go back to your YouTube studio. Click on your YouTube studio, and by this time I'm assuming that you have already finished making your video, and then you have already uploaded your video. So you go to your video, whichever place your video are, and then you find your video, whichever one, and then you are going to click on that video, and then you click on edit. So as soon as you click on edit, there you are. You're going to click on this box on the top left corner right here, and then you click on change, and boom, there you have it. There you go, your thumbnail is there, and then you select and you save. So it is already saving. It is saving, and right there you have your thumbnail looking all the way beautiful. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.